Hey everyone, this is Eugene with Source and Summit. I just wanted to show you a great new feature that we just released for MIDI playback for choirs. So if you go to a liturgy that you've already prepared, you click Share, and you click Copy Link, or you send specifically to the emails that you want to, you can access the choir share page. Now I've already opened it up here, and I want to just quickly show you. So as you may know, you can click play, and you can listen to MIDI playback for any of our songs. Now, if I go back to the beginning, I want to show you what we've done here. So you can now select both the SATB as well as the individual SATB parts. You can also listen to them solo, muted, or prominent. And you can also change the playback speed. So let's just play around a little bit with this. So if I select solo soprano, just listen to that really quickly. As you expect, just playing the soprano version by itself. So now if I play the muted, this is going to play all of the other parts louder than the soprano part, which is going to be helpful for me if I'm a little more comfortable with my part and I'm still trying to practice. Now, this last one, prominent, it's going to play my part louder than all of the other parts. Again, helping me maybe learn this for the first time while getting a sense for what the other parts are doing. An incredibly useful feature. We're incredibly excited to get it out to you guys and to hear feedback from you. God bless.